Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 1-36F Feedwater Heater Coil. We do have some issues, but do get that in there. It's not perfect, but we will adjust as we go. Let's start building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-36F Feedwater Heater Coil. So let's open up the MMG and let's start building. Go save it. So it's going to be 1-36F. Somewhere there. Nope, F. Thank you. Now this is a coil. It's like a helix spring. So it's going to be interesting. Okay, so we're going top plane, sketch, circle. Let's do dimension is 64.5, 64.5. Now go our sketch, go curves, helix. Now this is going to be, let's see, revolutions. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 revolutions. And it's going to be 74. Done angle. We're going further. That needs to go the other way. There we go. So that's there. Yep, that's right. Let's see. Done angle. Doesn't give me an angle. But does give me a height of 74.8. Hope that way is good. Revolution 4. Angle's very low. So if we let's just put 180, see what happens. And oh, okay, let's just keep that as is. Oh, dang it. Okay, helix. Selected circle. So 270, that's back 270, excellent. 74.8. Yep, that's good. Let's just see how that looks. Okay, so circumference of that is 9.5. Okay, there we go. So if we go to sweet boss, there we go. So we want, that's gonna be the line there, so it's gonna be that. But we want, oh, hold on. We'll get there. So if we go to, let's do that plane again. Feature, plane. So let's do that one. Input is incorrect. This has, there we go. Beautiful. Please defined. Okay, so if we go edit that one, we go circle and circle, smart dimension. Inner one is what's 7.5. Now I don't know what does that for. Thank you. Seems to really flick over there for some reason. That one's going to be 9.5. And that's going to be done and done. Okay. Let's now do sweet boss. So zoom in there. It's going to be that line and that line. Nope. Come on. Oh, we only can do one Sketch, okay. There we go. But it's longer than it should be. Between there and there should be 16.5. That's not 16.5. Oh, actually done the cylinder. Done the hole, I mean. Okay, because it's picked up as one thing. Oh, okay, excellent. Okay, let me just hide that plane because that's a little bit... no, I won't hide it just yet. Let's go into Helix. What's the pitch? Oh, that's a pitch. Hold on. 16.5. Okay, that might be better. Okay, that's looking better. Okay, pitch. Yeah, when I type that measurement, it's 178 from the top to the bottom. Yeah, I misunderstood that. So there we go. There's that one done for now. That's that part, but we still need to do more. We zoom that in. Save that. Okay, so we've got one here that's going to go curved. So if we go to... we go top plane. What we'll do together. Top plane. We go to sketch. And if we go to circle. Doesn't give the length. Gives that from there to a measurement there, which is kind of annoying. Okay, let's just X out that one. Delete that one for now. Let's work on the bottom one. Let me just hide that plane. Where are we? I don't think something's right. Going stop there. It should stop over here somewhere. Why do variable pitch? No, that's... Oh, height and revolution. There we go. Height. 74.8. Let's see what that does. That still puts the same spot. Height and pitch. There we go. Height, pitch is 16.5. I think that does it. Starts there, ends there. There we go. We got perfect. So over here, let me go back into that. We want height and pitch. What's the other one? Spiral. What does that do? Oh, okay. No, we don't want spiral. Height and pitch, which is 74.8 high and 16.5 between. The pitches I've taken between each one. So excellent. So that's done. Excellent. Okay. That's got it. Save that before we go any further. Yeah, because that's facing that way. It's facing that way. Perfect. That's what we want. Okay, so down the bottom here, let us put a plane on this one. Ooh. So this one here, we want go down that way. Then it's going to go this way, that way, and down. Man, that's... Okay. I found that this... I made well, didn't make a mistake. I misread it. In the diagram, it shows this coming around and twisting there. But this section here is flat. It's not going up. It does change in the helix. I've changed the pitch and revolution. Pitch is 16.5, which is the gap between the helix, between the bit swirling around. And I've done 4.25 revolutions. So, because it starts here, but it ends here, so it's all the way around. So that's a change I've done there. But now, look, we go to top view, normal 2. If we go to, it starts there, and this goes around a bit, up and around, does a twirly bit. This bit turns here, but turns here, but this turn here is flat. It's not going up like the rest of it. So that's why we don't change that. Okay, so now let's now do this part here. We're going to do the first corner, then the second corner. Okay, this hole at the end here is in center with there, so it makes it a little bit easier. Let's first do that one, see if we can get that right. We want a plane. We want to do it. Okay, we want that top, that's good. Second reference, went top of the Mac, I guess I was already there, but from the end of that, perfect. And done. Okay, so now we want this plane, but sketch on it. We want there we go, it's better. So we want this one here is going to go, I'll tell which way it's going. Hold on, let's go out that minute. Do that again. This time it's going to go, there we go. It's going to be out there somewhere. Now we can do this point to that point. It's going to be tangent. Not tangent, coincident. There we go. Then we know we've got the right one. If we try to do it that one, it's hard to tell which way the line's going. Yeah, we do this in one go. I don't know what I think I had to do another plane for. Let me do just that one, beautiful. Now these two is going to be vertical. This one down there, and that end point there is going to be horizontal. Mark dimension from the middle to the same point is going to be 52.7. Now this point and hold on. No, let's try something else. Oh, get a measurement, thank you. Do that like that. Now let's do that corner and that corner. Actually, before we do, let's just bring this one down so that way it's past it. That edge and that edge, let's make tangent. There we go. Cut a line there, cut that one off. There we go. That is what we're after. Perfect. Okay, so that's done. Beautiful. Our trim. If we exit that, does that extend? Does not. That's fine. So how do we do that one? So if we move that sketch a let's do what I'm thinking. Sketch. So just do that sketch. Sweet boss. Hold on. Sketch. That's that one. Edge. Don't think that worked. No, probably got to do another one. That's fine. We'll come back to that one shortly. So right now that sketch is done. We'll fill that in later. Let's just get the rest of this done. But now we want this one here is going to come out, but it's going to drop down. It's going to be about 45 degrees. So let me just hide that one, just make it clearer. Okay, so we do another plane. Oh, it's not on there yet. So first reference will be this point. Second reference will be work on that. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Excellent. See now. Oh, no. No. We want, right. We want to go down. Yeah, we want to curve down, not around. So that is done. Beautiful. Okay, plane 1. I'm just going to call that plane top curve. Let's call it plane, that way you still know what it is. Plane bottom curve first. Don't need to name that, just when you come back later on you get an idea what's happening. So okay, so now we go to, we got that plane selected. Yep. So we want normalize and edit. Now we want to do that to there. That'll do. So that and that's going to be horizontal, and this will be vertical. I think it doesn't say what the radius is. Those two are going to be, oh, I can't. Oh, there we go. I saw that one selected there. I thought it wasn't picking, so there's no measurement on it. Right, put that 15 radius for now. That's good. That may change. Actually, out that sketch. Let me just hide that one, otherwise it's going to get so many planes in the road. Crazy. Okay, so now, so that's gone that way, but now this is going to bend and go this way. So we want plane that way. So go back to plane. Pick first reference, be that point. And then second reference will be front. Yep. There we go. That's going to be okay. So call that plane bottom. So curve second. Normalize. Scroll out, scroll in. From there. That's going to go this way. So let's go to create sketch, circle, the 3-point, what's it called? Center point arc. So click up there, go there. Ooh, there we go. There. Normalize, not normalize. Like those two, but I'm not going to do that one though. But this one and this one will be tangent. Okay, so that one, yeah, I think this one will be horizontal. There we go. Hooked up now. Beautiful. And that's going to be about 45. Oh, hold on. There's a raise below. The part that goes this way is 11.5, so I'll probably change the other one to 11.5. They're all the same. Okay, it's there. Let me do that one. 11.5, that way it's locked in. Let me do a center line. I see that point. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Now let me do another center line. Oop, didn't work too well. And out. What? Get my button playing up a mouse again. Okay, so that dot, this center line will be tangent. But these two here, this center line to this center line, is going to be 45 degrees. There we go. Beautiful, that worked. Now we do another line around. Before we do any further, let me just go out of that one. Exit sketch. Go to that sketch. Edit sketch. 11.5. So yeah, 11.5. There we go. Let's fix it up now, just in case it causes a problem down the track. Which doesn't look like it did. Oh, beautiful. Because the plane was hooked up on that point, so the plane should have moved. But I just want to make sure first. Engine on that one. Normal 2. Let's see. There we go. Beautiful. That one there, yeah. Edit sketch. So this one is going to be. Oh, that locked in, didn't it? Nope, it didn't. Beautiful. Oh no, it clicks in but doesn't lock in. That's right. I forget about that. Okay, so 11.5. That's locked in. Beautiful. Yeah, if I do those two, what options do we have again? Merge point. Okay, just so we don't have an error, I'm going to do the same thing this way. The center line. That line can be your friend big time. There we go. Oh, hold on. Not what I want, sorry. What do I want one there for? On the angle. Oh, I think I did the midpoint line. Center line one. I do apologise, didn't have my yellow pointer up. I do apologise. I went out of software, came back in. So, we want dimension. No, we want dimension. These two lines will be 45. There we go. Now, this point to this point would be. There we go. And then we've got a straight line going down. This point. Oh, probably do. Where's the circle for that? Over there. Okay, this point and that point should be connected. Ooh, that didn't break it. Okay, hold on. Something's not right there. 11.5, 11.5. We'll do 40. Hold on. I can move on this. Ah, I can move that part still. Okay. So something there's not. So if we. Hold on, that's. If I do. And you're. What was it? 11.5. 11.5. Yeah, if I put that point onto there. Cool. You know what? Let me delete that. I've done something wrong there. Oh, line should have gone this way. Ah, that's what I did wrong. Let me go from that point to that point to that point. There we go. Now, there, 45. There we go. That's what I did wrong. I went that way. Yeah, I went horizontal angle. It still would have been sorry. I went vertical angle instead of horizontal angle. Now it flows nicely. There we go. That's what I did wrong. I should have done that one. Yeah. Okay, that works. So this one's actually wrong way too. But I'm going to leave it because actually everything's locked in. Bring that down a bit, make it look neater. Okay. Okay, now we want one that comes straight down. Let's see, line. Right down. Art dimension. And that is from this point there to this point there. Oh, hold on. Art dimension. Obviously, I have selected. That point there, did that work? No, it didn't. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to smart dimension. Normal 2. Okay, so we need center line right there. Doesn't matter how long. So now we can go smart dimension. This point to this point is going to be 53 millimeters long. Oop. This point would be tangent. Okay, why did that not work? There we go. It looks longer. That looks out of whack there. That looks longer than in the diagram. Goes up from the center of that one, 53. 53. Everything else looks in proportion, just that looks out of proportion. We'll leave that for now, just in case for some reason it's shrunk in the diagram. So, okay, so that's done. Beautiful. Exit out sketch. Okay, where's helix left? Helix spiral. If we go to that one, we want sweep. We click on this, will that work? No, it will not. Okay, so we need to get out of that one. We need for the let me hide that plane, thank you very much. Let's put 2 more circles on this one. So let's put a plane on there. What's that plane on there? Nope. 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 Okay. With hindsight, I probably should have done all this in one go. So, okay. So one on there, and the other one on there. Nope, that didn't work out too well. Ah, I did an edge. One edge on the face. There we go. Beautiful. And third reference. Nope, we don't need a third reference. Okay, so now normal 2 sketch. We want sketch, thank you. we want center layer to lock in there, center layer, lock in there. And that should be done. Beautiful. But let me put the sketch. I move sketch. Oh, I can't go. Okay. Fine. Oh. Nope, can't drop that far up. Oop. What? Okay. Yeah, I got. Where are we? Sketch. That one there. There we go. Loft. Sweet boss, I mean. And we click on that one. Hold on. Hold on. Hey, delete that plane. Delete that sketch. Didn't delete anything important, did we? Nope. Here we go. Why didn't... Oh, I did. Oh, that's one there. We did delete something important. Okay, one and do, because maybe you can roll one there. So I'm going to put a play on this one. So that's plane. That point. That's all. But that's weird. There we go. It's going to be, second reference going to be, right, there we go. And that one is done. Now we want to normalize. No, what the other way? Do normalize again, it turns around. There we go. And edit or sketch. Oh, that's that plane there. Yeah, I'll sing that plane. I think, what's going on? Okay, so let's do 2 circles. Dimensions are 9.5 and 7.5. 7.5, 9.5. There we go. That's out. Beautiful. Now, exit sketch. Thank you. Sweet boss. So sketch is already picked. Beautiful. The track will be that one. And there we go. Done. Okay, it doesn't really match. Ooh, we got a gap there. I think we do that. Okay. Oop, okay, wrong one. There we go. Why is that not touching? That is so weird. Where's that one? That's a sweep. Got it. Okay, let me delete that plane because that one's not doing anything. Okay. It's not really touching there. Let's go on this sketch. Yeah, that sketch. But this one, we find them. Or more the point, can we put a line there? See what that does. Look at that one, thank you. Next sketch. Oh, that's a bit more to it. Interesting. Oh, what is that? Where'd it go? What the heck did I just do? Just delete that one. I don't know what I just did then. Oh, I didn't break something. Try that again. Right, that point and that line. Nope. I can't touch that line. Get there. Thank you. Let's see what that does. Well, kind of joins it together. Leave that for that for now. Leave that for now. Okay, so now, that's not the nicest, but we will get there. Okay, so now if we put circle here, we actually combine these sketches together. That's different sketch. I'm at add new file, sketch color feature, go to collapse. No, don't think so. Okay, no worries. It's now. Close that one down. What's that plane doing? Oh, that's one I don't want. Okay. Ah, yeah, it's going to go the wrong way. Do a create new plane. Yep. Probably an easier way to do this. So if anyone knows, let me know, and I'll be happy to do another video on the concept of it. As said, I'm still learning. So trial and error. And it's good to see different ways and do things, even if it's the wrong way. So, okay, we want plane. I'll point there. And second point will be... Oh, there we go. Done. Normal 2. Nope, wrong way. Want the other way, do it again. Get the bottom, there we go. Where the heck is it? There it is. I couldn't see where it was. Let's see now. We want to sketch, circle. Yes, 7.5. Yeah, 7.5, 9.5. 7.5, 9.5. And done, and done. Let's see how far that goes up. Sweep. Get your pick, beautiful, and line. They're all up except for one. Okay, that's fine. I'm not going to do that one just yet. I'm just going to stop it. I just want to see where it stops. So up to there. So on this one, hide that plane. Make sure nothing's selected. Add a plane. We want that one at point there where it's going to start. I'm not doing there because it's going to be hard to get to. It could be clicking the wrong thing. So what are we after? Top plane. There we go. And done. Now, on that plane, I've got a normal 2. Just edit. We want 2 circles. Again. 7.5 and 9.5. So 9.5, double check that. Yes, it is. And 7.5. There we go. And done. Exit. Because it's already selected, that's why it's picking up here. So instant boss base. So then the line or the path there. Beautiful. Good gap there. There's a bit of gap there. Okay. We'll fix that one later. I know that's never a good idea, so okay, sketch, boss, and line, and done. Oh, looked out perfect. Okay, so let's hide that plane. There's now lookout. Nope. Oh, man, let's go the wrong one. Wrong one. Try that one. Nope. Not that way. There we go. Okay, let me hide the helix. There we go. So that's pretty much it done for now. Got to do adjustments on that. So if anyone knows how to do it properly, I'll be happy to do this video again. I could do the whole lot, or we'll just do a little sample, see what happens. I had no problem doing a video over again, say do this whole thing again, but do it easier. So that's that part done. That's 1-36F done for now. I know we've got a few issues there, but that's you. We can come back and adjust it. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Sorry about the runaround on that. If you enjoyed the episode, click that like button. If you want to see more, you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. And thank you for everyone who has subscribed. Leave comments below. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.